Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing a separate browser environment. Open a privacy-focused browser or create a new profile. This isolates search data. Next, install an ad and tracker blocker to stop cross-site profiling. Once done, change your default search engine to a private option so queries avoid logging. Make sure to turn off account syncing for searches. Keeping that off prevents cloud-stored history. These first steps reduce immediate leakage and set the stage for deeper protections. Once your browser is isolated, you harden network and privacy settings. Enable HTTPS-only mode and use DNS over HTTPS or DNS over TLS to encrypt name lookups. This prevents ISP snooping. Then route searches through a trusted VPN or Tor to mask your IP. Remember to test for DNS and IP leaks. Also clear existing cookies and set strict cookie handling so third-party trackers can't tie sessions together. These steps protect how and from whom your queries are visible. To finish, verify every default points to privacy, private search engine, disabled syncing, and strict cookie rules. Run test searches in incognito or Tor to confirm no history is stored and that your IP is masked. For ongoing use, employ temporary containers or isolated profiles so repeated visits don't rebuild a fingerprint. If something goes wrong, check extensions and firewall or DNS settings. A misbehaving extension or DNS leak is the most common culprit. Rerun leak tests and adjust settings until clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.